Please sit in any comfortable meditative posture with your hands on your knees in Jnana or Chin Mudra, head, neck, shoulders, back, all in a straight line, eyes and mouth gently closed. Become aware of the whole body from the top of your head to your toes. Awareness of your head, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, upper back, abdomen, lower back, hips, legs, the whole body. Shift your awareness to your breath. Normal spontaneous breathing coupled with awareness. I am breathing in and I am breathing out. And I am aware I am breathing in. I am aware I am breathing out. Let this be the form of your awareness for some time. Now bring your awareness to your Bhrumadhya. Visualize here the form of either your Guru or your Ishtadevata or a brightly burning, radiant Jyoti. And maintaining your awareness on this, we shall chant the mantra Om 3 times together, followed by the Shanti mantras. Inhale deeply. Om. Together. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryankaravavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the purpose and objective of our gathering. To strengthen the mind, to boost the bodily systems, to connect deeper with the aim and purpose of our very existence. And towards this effect, we shall begin with the chanting of the 3 mantras as given to us by Pujya Gurudev Swami Satyananda Ji. Bring to your mind the image of Mrityunjay Mahadev, that form of Shiva, who is the conqueror of disease, decay, darkness, and death. Install him at your Bhrumadhya. Offer pranam to him and take the sankalpa of health, harmony, happiness. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं 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 पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, let us invoke Surya Narayana, the symbol of energy, vitality, and prana, the very essence of life. Install him at your Bhrumadhya, offer pranam to him, and take the sankalpa of increased creativity, improved capabilities, higher wisdom, and a better discrimination. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Gayatri mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, let us invoke Ma Durga. Invite her and install her in your heart center. Offer pranam to her and take the sankalpa of removal of difficulties, distresses, hardships, and despairs, and to replace them with hope, enthusiasm, energy, focus, dedication, hard work, perseverance, and contentment. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Durga Dwatrinjan Namamala 3 times altogether. Om Durga Durga Artishamani Durga Padvinivarini Durga Machedini Durga Sadhini Durga Nashini Durgato Dharini Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durga Madnyanada Durga Daitya Loka Davanala Durga Ma Loka दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गम विद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञान संस्थाना दुर्गमध्यान भासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुर संहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ओम ओम दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमा लोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञान संस्थाना दुर्गमध्यान भासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुर संहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ओम ओम दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमा लोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञान संस्थाना दुर्गमध्यान भासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुर संहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ओम 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 keeping your eyes closed. Hari Om Tat Sat. Become aware of the sankalpas we have taken and become aware of the manifestation of these sankalpas within ourselves. Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, we shall chant few verses from the Sri Ramcharitmanas. Ayodhya Kand from Doha 237 to 247. Bring the image of the entire Sri Rama Darbar. वो श्री राम, देवी माँ जानकी, लक्ष्मण जी, भरत जी, शत्रुघ्न जी, हनुमान जी. Install them in your heart centers. Give them places of honor. For pranam to them. Next, let us invite and invoke Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj, the composer of this divine melody, so that he may bless us with the divine stories of the Lord. And we will begin with inviting Hanumanji and giving him a place of honor, because wherever there is Ram Katha, Hanumanji always comes. राम कथा के रसिक तुम, बुद्धिरासि मति धीर, आइए सुआसन लीजिए, तेज पुंज कपिवीर, सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर, हरिओम। मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रवहु सो दशरथ अजिर विहारी, सिया राम मैं सब जग जानी, करहु प्रणाम जोरि जुग पानी, तब केवट ऊंचे चढ़ी धाई, कहे भरत सन भुजा उठाई, नाथ देखी अहि बिटप बिसाला, पाकरि जम्बुर सालत माला, जिन तरु बरन मध्य बटु सोहा, मंजु विशाल देखि मनु मोहा, नील सघन पल्लव फल लाला, अबिरल छाह सुखद सब काला, मानहु तिमिर अरुणमय राशि, बिरची विधि सकेली सुषमासी, एतरु सरित समीप गोसाई, रघुबर परन कुटी जह छाई, तुलसी तरु बर विविध सुहाए, कहूँ कहूँ सिय कहूँ लखन लगाए, बट छाया बेदिका बनाई, सिय निज पानी सरोज सुहाई। जहाँ बैठी मुनिगण सहित, नित सिय राम सुजान, सुनहि कथा इतिहास सब, आगम निगम पुराण, सखा बचन सुनि बिटप निहारी, उमगे भरत बिलोचन बारी, करत प्रणाम चले दो भाई, कहत प्रीति सारद सकुचाई, हर्षहि निरखि राम पद अंका, मानहु पारस पाय उरंका, रज सिर धरि हिय नयन निलावहि, रघुबर मिलन सरिस सुख पावहि, देखि भरत गति अकथ अतीवा, प्रेम मगन मृग खग जड़ जीवा, सखहि सनेह बिबस मग भूला, कहीं सुपंथ सुर बरषहि फूला, निरखि सिद्ध साधक अनुरागे, सहज सनेहु सराहन लागे, होतन भूतल भाउ भरत को, अचर सचर चर अचर करत को, प्रेम अमिय मंदरु बिरहु, भरतु पयोधि गभीर, मति प्रगटेउ सुर साधु हित, कृपा सिंधु रघुबीर, सखा समेत मनोहर जोटा, लखे उन लखन सघन बन ओटा, भरत दीख प्रभु आश्रम पावन, सकल सुमंगल सदनु सुहावन, करत प्रेम बस मिटे दुख दावा, जनु जोगी परमारथ पावा, देखे भरत लखन प्रभु आगे, पूछे बचन कहत अनुरागे, शीस जटा कटि मुनि पट बांधे, तू न कसे कर सरु धनु कांधे, बेदी पर मुनि साधु समाजु, सीय सहित राजत रघुराजु, बल कल बसन जटिल तनु श्यामा, जनु मुनि बेश कीन रति कामा, कर कमल निधनु साय कुफेरक, जिय की जर निहरत हसी हेरत, लसत मंजु मुनि मंडली, मध्य सीय रघुचंदु, ज्ञान सभा जनु तनु धरे, भगति सच्चिदानंद, सानुज सखा समेत मगन मन, बिसरे हर्ष शोक सुख दुख गन, पाहि नाथ कहीं पाहि गोसाई, भूतल परे लकुट की नाई, बचन सपेम लखन पहिचाने, करत प्रणाम भरत जिय जाने, बंधु स्नेह सरस एहि ओरा, उत साहिब सेवा बस जोरा, मिल न जाई नहीं गुदरत बनई, सुख बिलखन मन की गति बनई, रहे राखी सेवा पर भारु, चढ़ी चंग जन खेच खेलारु, कहत स प्रेम नाई महिमा था, भरत प्रणाम करत रघुनाथा, उठे राम सुनि प्रेम अधीरा, कहूँ पट कहूँ निशंग धनु तीरा, बर बस लिए उठाय उर लाए कृपा निधान, भरत राम की मिलनि लखी, बिसरे सब ही अपान, मिलन प्रीति किमि जाई बखानी, कवि कुल अगम करम मन बानी। परम प्रेम पूरन दो भाई, मनस बुद्धि चित अहमिति बिसराई। कहहु सुप्रेम प्रगट को करई, केहि छाया कवि मति अनुसरई। कबि अरथ आखर बलु साचा, अनुहरिताल गति नटु नाचा। अगम सनेह भरत रघुबर को, जहन जाई मनु विधि हरिहर को। सौमय कुमति कहउँ के ही भांति, बाज सुराग की गांडर तांति। मिलन बिलो की भरत रघुबर की, सुरगन सभय धक धकी धर की। समुझाए सुरगरु जड़ जागे, बरषि प्रसून प्रशंसन लागे। मिलि सपेम रिपुसूदनहि, केवट भेटेउ राम। भूरि भाय भेटे भरत, लक्ष्मण करत प्रणाम। भेटेउ लखन ललकी लघु भाई, बहुर निषादु लीन उर लाई। पुनि मुनि गण दुहु भाई न बंदे, अभिमत आशीष पाई आनंदे। सानुज भरत उमगि अनुरागा, धरि सिय पद पदुम परागा। पुनि पुनि करत प्रणाम उठाए, सिर कर कमल परसि बैठाए। सिंह असीस दीन्हि मन माहि, मगन स्नेह देह सुधि नाहि। सब विधि सानुकूल लखि सीता, भेनि सोच उर अपडर बीता। कहूँ किछु कह इन कहूँ किछु पूछा, प्रेम भरा मन निज गति छोंछा। तेहि अवसर केवट धरि धीरजु धरि, जोरि पानि बिनवत प्रणाम करी। नाथ साथ मुनि नाथ के, मातु सकल पुर लोग। सेवक सेनप सचिव सब, आए बिकल वियोग। सील सिंधु सुनि गुर आगवनु, सीय समीप राखे रिपुदवनु। चले सबेग राम तेहि काला, धीर धर्म धुर दीन दयाला। गुरहि देखि सानुज अनुरागे, दंड प्रणाम करन प्रभु लागे। मुनि बर धाइ लिए उर लाई, प्रेम उमगि भेंटे दो उभाई। प्रेम पुलकि केवट के ही नामु, कीन्ह दूरि ते दंड प्रणामु। राम सखा ऋषि बर बस भेंटा, जनु महि लुठत स्नेह समेटा। रघुपति भगति सुमंगल मूला, नभ सराही सुर बरि सहि फूला। एहि सम निपट नीच को उनाहि, बड़ बशिष्ठ सम को जग माही। जेहि लखि लखनहु ते अधिक, मिले मुदित मुनि राउ। सो सीतापति भजन को, प्रगट प्रताप प्रभाउ। आरत लोग राम सब जाना, करुणा कर सुजान भगवाना। जो जेहि भाय रहा अभिलाषी, तेहि तेहि कहि तसि तसि रख राखी। सानुज मिली पल मोहु सब काहू, कीन्ह दूरि दुख दारुन दाहू। यह बड़ी बात राम कहि नाही, जिमि घट कोटि एक रवि छाहि। मिलके वटिहि उमगि अनुरागा, पुरजन सकल सराहि भागा। देखि राम दुखित महतारी, जन सुबेली अवलीहि मारी। प्रथम राम भेटी केई, सरल सुभाय भगति मति भेई। पग परि कीन्ह प्रबोध बहोरी, काल करम विधि सिर धरि खोरी। भेंटी रघुबर मातु सब, करि प्रबोध परितोषु। अम्ब ईस आधीन जगु, काहु न देय दोषु। गुरतिय पद बंदे दुहु भाई, सहित बेप्रतिय ते संग आई। गंग गौरी सम सब सनमानी, देहि आशीष मुदित मृदु बानी। गहि पद लगे सुमित्रा अंका, जनु भेंटी संपति अति रंका। पुनि जननी चरणनि दो भ्राता, परे प्रेम व्याकुल सब गाता। अति अनुराग अम्ब उर लाए, नयन स्नेह सलिल अनवाए। तेहि अवसर कर हर्ष विषादु, किमि कबि कहाई मूक जिमि स्वादु। मिलि जन नहीं सानुज रघुराऊ, गुर सन कहे उनकी धारिय पाऊ। पुर जन पाई मुनीस नियोगु, जल थल तकी तकी उतरे उन लोगु। महिसुर मंत्री मातु गुर गने लोग लिए साथ, पावन आश्रम गवन किय भरत लखन रघुनाथ। सिय आई मुनि बर पग लागी, उचित असीस लही मन मागी। गुरपति मिनिहि मुनि तियन समेता, मिली पेम कहीं जाई न जेता। बंदी बंदी पग सियत सब ही के, आसिर बचन लहे प्रिय जी के। सासु सकल जब सिय निहारी, मुदे नयन सहमि सुकुमारी। परि बधिक बस मनहु मराली, काह कीन्ह कर तार कुचाली। तिन्ह सिय निरखि निपट दुख पावा, सो सबु सहिय जो दयु सुहावा। जनक सुता तब उर धरि धीरा, नील नलिन लोयन भरि नीरा। मिली सकल सासु न सिय जाई, तेहि अवसर करुणा महि छाई। लागी लागी पग सब निसिय, भेंटति अति अनुराग। हृदय असीस ही प्रेम बस, रहि भे भरी सुहाग। बिकल सनेह सिय सब रानी, बैठन सबहि कहे गुर ज्ञानी। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, कहीं जग गति मायिक मुनि नाथा। कहे कछुक परमारथ गाथा, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। नृपकर सुरपुर गवन सुनावा, सुनि रघुनाथ दुसह दुख पावा। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, मरन हेतु निज नेहु बिचारी। भे अति बिकल धीर धुर धारी, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। कुलिस कठोर सुनत कटुबानी, बिलपत लखन सिय सब रानी। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, शोक बिकल अति सकल समाजु। मानहु राजु अकाज आजु, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। मुनि बर बहुरि राम समुझाए, सहित समाज सुर सरित नहाए। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, व्रत निरंबु तेहि दिन प्रभु कीन्हा। मुनिहु कहे जलु काहू न लीन्हा। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। भोर भये रघुनंदनहि, जो मुनि आय सुदीन्ह। श्रद्धा भगति समेत प्रभु, सो सब सादर कीन्ह। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर, हरि ओम। बार बार बर मागहूँ, हर्षि देहु श्रीरंग। पद सरोज अन पायनी, भगति सदा सतसंग। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर, हरि ओम। श्री राम स्तुति। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु, भज मन हरण भव भय तारुणम्। नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर, कंज पद कंजारुणम्। कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नव, नील नीरज सुंदरम्। पट्टपीत मानहु तड़ितर चिशुचि, नामि जनक सुतावरम्। भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव, दैत्य वंश निकंदनम्। रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल, चंद दशरथ नंदनम्। सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु, उदारु अंग विभूषणम्। आजानुभुज शर चापधर, संग्राम जित खर दूषणम्। इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर, शेष मुनि मनरंजनम्। मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु, कामादि खल दल गंजनम्। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम श्री राम. Keeping your eyes closed. What a scene it was. Kevat shows from a distance to Bharat the place where Ramachandraji, the Lord of the universe, now resides. Bharat is overwhelmed with emotion, quickly looks at that point climbing up the tree, and then they quickly move to that place and have the darshan of Sri Ram. They go and meet Sri Ram. Oh, what a scene! Long lost brothers, separated by unsavory circumstances. But when all the four meet, everything is just as it was always. No discord amongst them. The moment Prabhu sees his dear Bharat coming, gets up, leaving everything just behind, great haste to meet Bharat. Bharat runs, offers pranam to Ramji. Lakshman offers pranam to Bharatji, and the Bharat Milan takes place. Kevat very courteously, gently reminds after some time, Lord, Gurudev Vasishthaji also has come. The moment Ramji hears that, oh, Gurudev Vasishthaji has come, they leave Shatrughna behind with Sitaji, and three of them with Kevat rush to meet Gurudev. Look at the Maryada. It is true that the entire retinue came all the way from Ayodhya, but the moment Sri Ram came to know that the elders have come, he did not sit there waiting. He went ahead to offer pranam to them and bring them. He meets Vasishthaji and the mothers. But first he meets Ma Kaikeyi. In the same love as he always used to, as if what had happened did not create any ripples in him, which it hadn't. Then he meets Ma Sumitra and then Ma Kaushalya. Always stickler for decorum and protocol. That is what we have to learn in our lives. He did not pass sarcastic remarks, pinpoints. No, he knew Ma Kaikeyi would be suffering. The world was berating her. But Prabhu is full of compassion. It was only because of Kaikeyi that he is now able to embark on his life mission. And then they all come to the kutia where Sri Ramji resided, and everybody felt they were in seventh heaven. Vasishtaji gently breaks the news of the demise of the king. All the three are shaken to the core, extremely sad that they couldn't be there with the king during his last moments. And then Sri Ramji observes all the things which are needed to be observed. And Vasishtaji and his team instructed him. Emotions apart, what needs to be done has to be done the way it should be done. And it was not only Sri Ram who did it, even Sita ji, she did exactly the same. And this is the lesson that we need to keep within ourselves. The learning. There's no point in chanting Ramcharitmanas if we don't start making those changes in our lives. It doesn't matter if we fail. We keep on trying and trying and trying. And one day we will succeed. Let us offer pranam at the feet of the divine brothers, at the feet of Sita ji, that they may bless us in our path. The katha for the day pauses here. And as the dignitaries get ready to make a move, let us, with great shraddha and respect, offer pranam to them. कथा विसर्जन होत है, सुनहु वीर हनुमान, जो जन जहाँ से आई हों, तह तह कर उपयान। बाजा बाजत गृह गए, भरद्वाज के द्वार, सब देवता आश्रम गए, शंभु गए कैलाश, सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम। And now, having offered pranam and listened to the divine stories of Sri Ram, let us now move ahead into the Devi Aradhana. Let us sing the glories of the Parabhattarika, the Queen of Queens, transcendental in nature, so subtle that even the deities, the devatas, are not aware of her, don't know where to find her. Even Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, they meditate on her. We shall chant the Saundarya Lahari, composed by Bhagavad Pad, Bhagwan Bhashyakar, Acharya Shankar. Offer pranam at his feet, offer pranam at the feet of Ma as we get ready to chant the Saundarya Lahari. Those of you who are able to should come in Vajrasana. Bring your hands in Avahaniya Mudra. Both the palms touching each other, facing yourself. The thumb touching the base of the ring finger. Hands in the posture of Avahan, invocation. We shall chant from verse 78 to 88. The Samput mantra in the beginning and at the end, verse 25. To start, we shall start with the Bija mantras and conclude with the Prarthana Namaste Namaste. Om Aim Om Hrim Om Shrim Om Krim त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद् वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा स्थिरो गङ्गावर्त स्तनमुकुलरोमावलिलता निजावालं कुण्डं कुसुमशरतेजोहुतभुज रतेर्लीलागारं किमपि तव नाभिं गिरिसुते बिलद्वारं सिद्धे गिरिशनयनानां विजयते निसर्गक्षीणस्य स्तनतटभरेण क्लमजुषो नमन्मूर्तेर्नाभौ वलिशुशनकैस्तृट्यत इव चिरं ते मध्यस्य त्रुटिततटिनीतीरतरुणा समावस्थस्थेम्नो भवतु कुशलं शैलतनये कुचौ सद्य स्विद्य तटघटितकूर्पासभिदुरौ कषन्तौ दोर्मूले कनककलशाभौ कलयता तव त्रातुं भङ्गादुदरमवलग्नं तनुभुवा त्रिधानद्धं देवी त्रिवलिलवलीवल्लिभिरिव गुरुत्वं विस्तारं क्षितिधरपतिः पार्वती निजान् नितम्बादाच्छिद्य त्वयि हरणरूपेण निदधे अतस्ते विस्तीर्णो गुरुरयमशेषां वसुमतीम् नितम्ब प्राग्भारस्तगयति लघुत्वं नयति च करीन्द्राणां शुण्डान् कनककदलीकाण्डपटलीम् उभाभ्यामुरुभ्यामुभयमपि निर्जेत्य भवति सुवृत्ताभ्यां पत्यु प्रणति कठिनाभ्यां गिरिसुते विजिज्ञे जानुभ्यां विबुधकरिकुम्भद्वयमसि पराजेतुं रुद्रं द्विगुणशरगर्भौ गिरिसुते निषङ्गौ जङ्घेते विषमविशिखो बाढमकृत यदग्रे लक्ष्यन्ते दशशरफलाः पादयुगली नखाग्रच्छद्मान सुरमुकुटशाणौ घनिशिता श्रुतीनां मूर्धानो दधति तव यौ शेखरतया ममाप्येयौ मात शिरसि दयया धेहि चरणौ ययोपाद्यं पाथ पशुपतिजटाजूटतटिनी ययोर्लाक्षाल्लक्ष्मी अरुणहरिचूडामणिरुचि नमो वाकं ब्रूमो नयनरमणीयाय पदयो तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशान प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे मृषा कृत्वा गोत्र स्खलनमथ वैलक्षणमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मीलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा हिमानि हन्तव्यं हिमगिरितटाक्रान्तिचतुरौ निशायां निद्राणं निशि च परभागे च विशदौ परं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चेत्रमिह किम् पदं ते कान्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा हस्ताभ्यामुपनयनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा नमस्ते नमस्ते विभो विश्वमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते चिदानन्दमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते तपोयोगगम्य नमस्ते नमस्ते श्रुतिज्ञानगम्य For a few moments, soak in the vibrations of the chanting. Offer pranam to Bhagavad Pad and to Ma. And now we move ahead from the Trigunatit, beyond the gunas, to Trigunatmika with the Trigunas. We shall begin with the Siddha Kunjika Stotram. शिव उवाच शृणु देवि प्रवक्ष्यामि कुञ्जिकास्तोत्रमुत्तमम् येन मन्त्रप्रभावेण चण्डीजापशुभो भवेत् न कवचं नार्गलास्तोत्रम् कीलकं न रहस्यकं न सूक्तं नापि ध्यानं च न न्यासो न च वार्चनम् अतिगुह्यतरं देवी देवानामपि दुर्लभम् गोपनीयं प्रयत्नेन स्वायोनिरिव पार्वती मारणं मोहनं वश्यं स्तम्भनोच्चाटनादिकम् पाठमात्रेण संसिद्ध्येत कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रमुत्तमम्। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे। ॐ ग्लौं हुं क्लीं जूं सः ज्वालय ज्वालय ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ज्वल हं सं लं क्षं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिण्यै नमस्ते मधुमर्दिनि नमः कैटभहारिण्यै नमस्ते महिषार्दिनि नमस्ते शुम्भहन्त्रै च निःशुम्भासुरघातिनि। जाग्रतं हि महादेवी जपं सिद्धं कुरुष्व मे। ऐङ्कारी सृष्टिरूपायै ह्रीङ्कारी प्रतिपालिका क्लीङ्कारी कामरूपिण्यै बीजरूपे नमोऽस्तु ते। चामुण्डा चण्डघाती च यैकारी वरदायिनी विच्चे चाभयदा नित्यं नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी। धां धीं धूं धूर्जटे पत्नीं वां वीं वुं वागधीश्वरी। क्रां क्रीं क्रूं कालिका देवी शां शीं शूं मे शुभं कुरु। हुं हुं हुंकाररूपिण्ये जं 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 जम्भनादिनि। भ्रां भ्रीं भ्रूं भैरवी भद्रे भवान्यै ते नमो नमः। अं कं चं टं तं पं यं शं वीं दुं ऐं वीं हं क्षं। दिजाग्रं त्रोटय त्रोटय दीप्तं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। पां पीं पुं पार्वती पूर्णा खां खीं खूं खेचरी तथा। सां सीं सुं सप्तशती देव्या मन्त्रसिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे। इदं तु कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रं मन्त्रजागर्ति हेतवे। अभक्तेनैव दातव्यं गोपितं रक्ष पार्वती। यस्तु कुञ्जिकया देवी हीनां सप्तशतीं पठेत् न तस्य जायते सिद्धिररण्ये रोदनं यथा। ॐ इति श्रीरुद्रयामले गौरीतन्त्रे शिवपार्वती संवादे सिद्धकुञ्जिकास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्। Keeping your eyes closed, meditate on the form of Ma, the Trigunatmika form. Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Swarupini Ma. Keep your eyes closed and meditate on the forms as I chant the Dhyana mantra for each. Shri Mahakali Dhyanam. Om खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिघां शूलं भुशुण्डिं शिरः शङ्खं सन्दधतीं करैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृतां नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकां यामस्तौच्छयिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्। ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी ध्यानम। ॐ अक्षस्रक्परशुगदेषु कुलिशं पद्मं धनुः कुण्डिकां दण्डं शक्तिमसीं च चर्म जलजं घण्टां सुराभाजनं शूलं पाशसुदर्शने च दधतीं हस्तैः प्रवालप्रभां सेवे सैरिभमर्दिनीमिह लक्ष्मीं सुरौजो भवाम्। ॐ श्री महासरस्वती ध्यानम। ॐ घण्टाशूलहलानि शङ्खमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकं हस्ताब्जैर्दधतीं घनान्तविलसच्छीतांशुतुल्यप्रभां गौरी देहसमुद्भवां त्रिजगताम् आधारभूतां महा पूर्वामत्र सरस्वतीमनुभजे शुम्भादिदैत्यार्दिनीम्। ॐ श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती देवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ लं पृथिव्यात्मकं गन्धं कल्पयामि आकाशात्मकं पुष्पं कल्पयामि, यं वायव्यात्मकं धूपं कल्पयामि, रम् अग्न्यात्मकं दीपं कल्पयामि, वम् अमृतात्मकम् अमृतमयमहानैवेद्यं कल्पयामि, सं सर्वात्मकं सर्वोपचारपूजां संकल्पयामि। नमः। For a few moments, experience the presence of the three. Offering pranam to them, we shall now chant the Saptashloki Durga, the 7 verses from the entire Durga Saptashati picked up to represent the entire chanting. शिव उवाच देवि त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनि कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः। दिव्युवाच शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनम् मया तवैव स्नेहेन आप्यम्बास्तुति प्रकाश्यते। ॐ अस्य श्रीदुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः अनुष्टुपादिनी छन्दांसि श्रीमहाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवताः श्रीदुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गापाठे विनियोगः। ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तो स्वस्ति स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि। दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं शरणागतदीनार्त परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं रोगानशेषान् पहंसि तुष्टा पृष्टा तु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वबाधाप्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम्। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ॐ दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी संपूर्णा। Remain immersed in the chanting, the mantras, the vibrations, the presence of Ma. Just like an infant, a baby, gazes upon the mother, so should we remain connected to her. And as we remain connected to her, experience the joy, happiness coursing through us, filling us completely, transforming us. Filled with joy, let us sing the glories of Ma, the Tantroktam Devi Suttam. नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मताम्। रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः। कल्याण्यै प्रणतां वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः। नैऋत्यै भूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै शर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः। दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतनेत्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्त्यै दिव्यै नमो नमः चितिरूपेण या कृत्स्नम् एतद्व्याप्य स्थितां जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रयात् तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदः या साम्प्रतं चोद्धतदैत्यतापितैः अस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे शिव दुर्गे अम्बे मात की जय अटल छत्र की जय साके दरबार की जय जंगल में मंगल करने वाली मैया की जय नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव हर हर Keep your eyes closed for a few moments. we have now moved into the final triad, the Sattvic component. We began with Akali 3 days till Tritiya, Mahalakshmi till Shashti, and today as we move into Saptami, we connect to Maha Saraswati, the sublime form. The destroyer of Dhumralochan, Chandamunda, Raktabija, Shumbha Nishumbha. These all are a little bit refined than the others. The previous ones were a little bit more on the grosser side, but these are refined people. They have some good qualities also, apparently, but the direction has been in the negative, and that is why they have become asuras, rakshasas. And to defeat them, we need the blessings of Ma Saraswati. Observe within ourselves too. We began with the mood avastha full of negativities. They were transformed into hopes, aspirations, desires, pushing us in all directions. These two were transformed into a balance. And when there is a balance, a higher form arises. Tamas is also essential. Rajas is also essential. But direction has to be appropriate. A balance between all these has to be created. That gives rise to Sattva. Try and connect to that Sattvic aspect within us. And armed with these Sattvic forces, when the Asuras attack us, Ma's blessings allow us to repel them, repeal them too. Connect to the Kavacham we had created in the very beginning with the Samputa mantra Aim Hrim Klim or Aim Hrim Klim Om. And it is this which now brings in the strength to transform ourselves further and further. maintaining the awareness of these subtle enemies and the strength needed to repel them, transform them. Let us conclude with Shanti Part. Inhale deeply. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Hands in pranam mudra. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव हरिः ओम हरि ओम तत्सत. Gently rub your palms against each other. Place them on the closed eyes. And then when comfortable, move the palms away. Open your eyes. Namo Narayana.
Namo Narayana.
Namo Narayana. So, we are now moving into the final fire, the sattvic aspect. You see, this is like habits. It's very, now quite well known that habits are quite stubborn things. If you take H out of it, a bit remains. If you take A out of it, bit of it remains. If you take B out of it, still it remains. So we started with that thing called it, the habit. We worked on it. At the end, still it remains. That is the way. We started at the tamasic level. There were negativities, they were everything, but it was out there in the open. In the Rajasic, there is a desires for doing, it is channelized slightly. Now at the Sattvic level, these very negativities come up, but in a very subtle form. I am doing lot of sadhana, but then I develop abhiman of sadhana. I was doing sadhana to get rid of abhiman. But by doing sadhana and sadhana and sadhana, I develop sadhana abhiman. Oh, I am doing so much sadhana. This sadhana nobody has been doing. Huh. The same thing which you had set out to defeat is right there within you now, which was not there in the beginning. So, what is the way out? Incomplete transformation is insufficient. You have to go beyond and transform everything. Externally, till Rajas, we are able to see things. But in Sattva, everything is inside. What do you do? That is where the Sattvic aspect of Devi comes in. Because then that also needs to be purified. And when we are able to go and do all of that, then we are able to go beyond Navaratri into the Vijaya Dashmi. So, this is a very important aspect. We feel that, oh, we are in Sattvic aspect, everything is nice, nice, nice. Yes. But along with us being nice, 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 the drawbacks also are now becoming nice, nice, nice. I am very, very selfless. But under the garb of being selfless, are you trying to manipulate? That is what hypocrisy is. Very subtle. There are a few things which are very out in the open, but there are things which are very subtle. We need to work beyond that too. And so, therefore, today, as we enter the sattvic aspect, in addition to connecting with Ma Saraswati, we also need to observe ourselves. If there is this, sattvic covered drawbacks in the garb of sattva, are there other drawbacks which are there in a very subtle form, which they are? We have to identify them and very ruthlessly now get rid of them too. This is the assignment for us today, to try and observe ourselves. What happens as we go deeper? Our motivations, our thoughts, our hopes, we need to observe them very, very honestly. You don't have to tell it to the world. You don't have to shout from the rooftops that, oh, these are my drawbacks. No, but you need to know. You should not be deluding yourself. Because if I delude myself, I am the one who loses. So, with me, myself, I should be very honest, true to myself, because only then can I progress in life. Otherwise, we keep going in circles, sattva, rajas, tamas, and sattva, rajas, tamas, and sattva, rajas, tamas, and we can never go beyond. We need to go beyond. For this is essential. So, keeping this in mind, let us conclude, and we will meet again tomorrow at 5:45, continuing our yatra of the Navaratri Aradhana.
Swamiji,
No,
can you get any example of sattva covered drawback or drawback covered with sattva?
You see, I just gave an entire explanation about that. So why don't you think about that a little bit more, and then things will start coming up. I don't want to name, oh, this is this, that is that. No, now the time is that I have to start thinking. That is the effort. So if you want me to think for you, then we are defeating the whole purpose. So we have to think for ourselves, observe. And if you find that, oh, I am free of all problems, wonderful. Keep on gazing, keep on observing. Slowly and slowly, you will understand that, oh, there are drawbacks there. So it takes some time. It takes courage. You see, society teaches us. Now, I'm not speaking about any one person individually, but for all of us, because we have to understand the mind is same in everyone, and it is the nature of the mind that we are speaking of. I am picture perfect. Everybody is at fault. Even look at small children also. We say children are uh, reflections of divinity, but in them also you will see they will always feel they are right, everybody else is wrong. That is the nature of the mind. I am perfect, there's nothing wrong in me. But then we have to keep digging, and we don't have to find faults with ourselves, but we need to be honest. We need to keep analyzing. We have a first layer, superficial, then below that there's another level, below that there's a third level, below that there's a fourth level. As we slowly and slowly and slowly start analyzing, then we see, oh, मोसमकौन कुटिल खल कामी. तुलसीदास जी बोलते हैं कि मोसम, मेरे जैसा, like me, कौन, who is such a person who is kutil khala kami. I am very cunning, I am hypocritic, I am full of lusts and desires. I am so full that there is nobody in the world as full of these things as myself. And if Tulsidas ji is saying this, we can safely assume that we are a little bit more than that, not less. So let this be a premise. Like we have a premise that zero exists. We don't start the journey of mathematics by thinking about zero. We'll never reach anywhere. We start with the premise that zero exists, and that becomes a reference point, and we move positive and negative, and then the whole gamut of mathematics starts. The same way, these are the reference points. If he says Mo samakon kutil khalakami, then there are those within me also. Let me observe myself more plainly. Let me analyze myself. And over a period of time, we observe and then we keep on improving. If Tulsidas ji can be kutil khalakami and yet he can have the darshan of the Lord, we can also have the darshan of the Lord. So this effort is not to, fill ourselves with more negativities about ourselves. That is the wrong path. This is to tell that दिल्ली अभी दूर है, लेकिन मार्ग ये है. We have not reached our destination. Destination is still far away. I will give you a very nice example. We know, many of us would know, there was a great saint known as Sant Namdev. From childhood, he would talk to Vithala. So much so that he would take the plate and ask Vithala to come and eat, and Vithala would come and eat every day. We can imagine the level of such a person. And then one day, they were all saints sitting, there was talk going on. And then quietly, Mukta Bai, the youngest sister of Jnaneshwar Maudi, she gets up and, like, when we make the earthen pots, there is a flat plate which is used to tap the pot to see if the pot is now ready, because the pot is fired, and after firing the pot becomes ready to use, and when the pot becomes ready to use, there is a nice twang sound which comes in. So she used that, and you see, this is the pot, and she was whacking everybody on the head, and everybody just bowed their head and said nothing. But when she whacked Namdev, he reacted, and he said, "What are you doing?" He said, "Oh, ये तो कच्चा है अभी भी." When that happened, he got a shock of his life, and she said, "Oh, Guru के पास जाना होगा." So he said, why do I need a guru? I am in communion with the Lord. Every day I see him. It took Vithala himself to tell, nahi beta, jao, Guru ke paas jao. And when he went to the Guru, what happened?
No.
He went to the Guru and he was told, you have to go to such and such place. So he goes to this place. There's an old Shiva temple. They say your Guru is sitting there, maybe. So maybe just he is there. Go in and find out. So he goes in there and sees, and he gets a shock of his life. Oh my God, what's happening? There is this old man lying, and he is keeping the feet on the Shivalingam. Blasphemy. हे भगवान, दौड़ करके बोलता है क्या कर रहे हो, पैर हटाओ. That old man looks and says, what happened? Says, you are keeping the feet on the Shivalingam. Have you no sense of propriety? So he says, I am very old, you see. अब मुझे दिख गया तो हम रख दिए, भाई क्या दिक्कत है उसमें? अरे, you don't know it's Shivalingam is so holy. How can you even dream of doing something like this? Oh, is that a problem? Of course, don't you know? Well, no, I was not aware. So what has to be done? You remove it from there and keep it somewhere else where there is no Shivlingam. Ah, yes, where there is no Shivlingam. He says, I'm very old. Do one, you look to be young and fit and fine. थोड़ा सा मदद कर दो भाई, मेरे पैर हटा करके रख दो, जहां शिवलिंगम नहीं है वहां रख दो पैर. So he marches in, lifts the leg and turns them, and as he about to put them down, a shivlingam appears and appears and appears. Wherever he turns the legs, shivlingam keeps on appearing. Oh my God. Now Sant Namdev gets confused. What's happening? Then the old man says, भाई देखो, जहां शिवलिंगम नहीं है वहां पैर रख दो. And then Namdev Maharaj realizes that this was something to bring his ego under control. That is the role of the Guru. Ego-dectomy. So when a great person like Sant Namdev, who was in direct communion with the Lord, can have Abhiman and so many other things, it must have been so subtle that he did not realize it was there. You see, the point is that it is so subtle that you don't realize. And at that level where you have direct communion with the Lord, not only inside here, everybody can say, I'm talking to the Lord here, but there actually he was feeding the Lord, he was talking to the Lord, everything was happening. It's not easy कि थाली रख दो और भगवान खाना खा लेंगे, नहीं होता है जी. It shows a great level of purity. Even then there was impurity left. So therefore honest sadhaks should take it for granted that there are impurities within us, but they are so subtle that we are not able to catch them. The effort is to catch them. So if we feel that I have no drawbacks, then we should read these stories. They tell us how to look for and how to become a good detective. Then things will improve. So let us do this today, and then we'll meet again tomorrow, 5:45. Namo Narayan.
नमो नारायण स्वामी जी.
नमो नारायण स्वामी जी.
नारायण स्वामी जी.
नारायण स्वामी जी.